Please give us your suggestions about cultural policy and how to be useful in Ukraine nowadays.
Okay, I'd say two things. First of all, though I would say, of course, I'm no expert on Ukraine. So anything I say is very much an outsider's view. But I'd say two things. The first thing I'd say is that there is an issue which I think applies across all the former Soviet socialist republics, which is that cultural policy was always thought in a very top-down, official kind of way. And that's not really the best way to think about cultural policy. It needs to be thought of in a less rigid, less ideological kind of a way for it to really work effectively. And the second thing I'd say is that I'm conscious that there has been a discussion in recent times in Ukraine about decentralization, and that's partly been obviously connected with what's been happening in the Donbass region and so on. But clearly, if you're to have an effective cultural policy, particularly in a country as big as Ukraine and as diverse as Ukraine, then you need to have decentralization so that people have real power at the municipal and regional levels on the ground to influence cultural policy so that it has a meaningful relationship to the citizen on the street.